Hey guys, let's make a hot chocolate and froth. And these are some of the accessories that it comes with. So let's discuss functions. The first one is for frothing heavy texture foam. Then you heat fluffy foam. And then the third button is for heating only. And then the last one is for frothing cold milk. Attach it to the base like this. And then put this whisk on top. Like that. Let's check it out. Make a froth, heavy froth. We're gonna take off the cap to show you that it's actually on. Yum. Milk frother, an ideal gift for birthdays, Christmas, and holidays. Thank you for watching.